Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create AI story videos. So here you can go to app.dubdub and you can even ask AI to write something for YouTube, for instance, a video script. Then you're going to type in you want to write your video script about like the Great Depression, maybe, I don't know. And then AI is going to write about it, and you can create like a story time about the Great Depression. You can do like true crimes as well, some other stories that you want to put out. And then you can even use the voiceovers here to generate the text. So you're just going to like generate full text here. I don't have credits, so I can't show you. Then you're just going to go to like ChatGPT or like another AI to create like a thumbnail and like obviously the pictures for it as well. And you're just going to go to CapCut and edit that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.